I am building Santa's workshop. I never really do any long form videos with a voice or anything, but I decided to do it today because I thought it would be fun and all of that. So let's get into it, I guess. So I'm just gonna start off with a square and see what I can do with that. So by the way, I am on mobile, so I'm sorry if the quality is really bad. Now if y'all would want to do one of those videos where it's a build battle with your subscribers. I'm not trying to copy anyone or anything, but I thought that would be fun. Maybe for the theme an elf's bedroom if we ever do that, but yeah. With this red brick color for the outside, and I'm gonna see if I like that, but yeah. Going in with the floor, I'm not the best at floor coloring, but I think the color looks good once y'all see it, so yeah. The basic interior wall color, which is white. Oops, I accidentally deleted that wall. Don't worry. You would want to see more videos like this, or I'm just wasting my time making them. You didn't hear me in the beginning, we're making Santa's workshop. So yeah, currently I'm picking the floor color that I've already seen. And it actually doesn't look that bad once the build's finished. But yeah. Let me know if you think this looks like Santa's workshop. Very hard choice on the door. Okay, I did use that door, but it's later in the video. I think I had a good choice of door, if we're being honest. Yeah, that one looked good when I colored it. So, this is a voiceover, so I already know what I've done. So I might end up telling y'all some things that I did, but it was later in the video. This is a 30-minute long video, so I don't really know if I'm gonna voice over the whole thing or just let it be a build thing, a speed build, but I'm gonna try to talk for most of it. Now we're doing the roof. Yeah. Guys, my sister came in the room, but I think I did okay with the roof for most of the part. Yes, I did stop the voiceover when my sister came in the room. That's why you couldn't hear. Also, another question. What videos would y'all like to see me post? I know I've done asked before. Oh, my phone was on 20%. I had to go get the charger. But yeah, what would you like to see? Because I don't know what to post. I could do edits, but I don't really know what their edits to do because I've done a bunch of Christmas ones, just not every day. I never did a Christmas haul from last year like I said I was going to. I will admit that. And I said I would do 25 days of Christmas songs last year. I did not do that. But but it's okay. I'll probably stop doing the voiceover and let the video run, but I don't know yet. I think there's a time limit on YouTube videos, but well, if we don't get it done, I can always cut and edit it. Because like I've never had a video this long and I've never done a video like this, so I hope y'all like it. So I think I'm gonna skip some and then come back. So yeah. Okay, we're back doing the voiceover. I went AFK to go get the charger through here. I probably should have deleted this out of the video, but yeah. I'm gonna cut some of the AFK time, so yeah. Okay, we are back and we are looking through my inventory. I'm actually pretty happy with the results. If I ever did like one of these with you guys, I would definitely have to get more money and maybe bulldoze this plot if I didn't want to buy another one. So yeah, you can also take this as like a building tutorial if you want. So right here we have me struggling, so enjoy that. Okay, if you hear any like random sounds during transitions, I don't know what they are. I'll try to work on to fix that, but please don't ask what they were because I don't know. I honestly thought I skipped most of this, but I guess I didn't. Anyways, we're back with the voiceover. I'm gonna try to like skip some more, so yeah. I know I'm saying I'm skipping a lot in this video. Like there's really not that much to see because it's like me trying to figure out what to use and kind of struggling, but yep. Okay, this is how it's looking so far. I'm gonna do some windows at the front and enjoy that. This is literally taking forever, so yeah, I don't know what to say. I have like these little random transitions. I had Christmas stickers, then I had whatever that just was, so yeah, don't question that. I just, yeah, it's more fun, I think. even with all this editing, there is still like 30 minutes left of this, so yeah. Oh, okay, so we put a bunch of bushes, but they look really good in the end, so get to you in a bit. Okay, we're back with 13 minutes left of the video until I continue editing. But we have like a little station where elves make cookies for Santa, and we're gonna add like a little table and one chair to that table, and I'm gonna make cookies at like the end maybe to add, but y'all don't see that part because I ended it too soon. We also have a little garage where there should be elves like working on his sleigh, but we don't have a sleigh or tools. So, yeah, and that's when we use that other door. So I'm gonna speed it up again and find another song for y'all. Okay, bye. Oh, wait, don't ask about the song, okay? I also might have put it a little too fast, but oh well. We're back with the voiceover, and this is what we've got so far. Very nice, and yeah, I will change the shelves. Yeah, bye. I really hope you liked this video, and remember how I said like we could do this like Alyssa, the YouTuber of Boxburg or whatever does, and we could like do a build challenge or whatever. Just let me know down below in the comments if you'd like that or not, and yeah. I might put music until like the very end of the video, so bye. Okay, so I put a clip in 100 times speed, but here's the tour, the finished tour. We have this little work area, and then we have the shelf full of all the toys. Santa's cookie area, the garage with barely anything in it. I feel like I could have done better, but I'm starting to make the cookies here. I feel like I could have done a lot better, but definitely let me know in the comments if y'all would want to do those build challenges, and I guess in a few seconds I'm going to say bye, so just let me know about the build challenges. Bye guys, hope you liked the video.